Hey there everybody, what is going on? My name is Aditya and welcome to chapter 1 episode 6. In this episode we are going to be taking a look at the code organization. We will be taking a look at modules, functions and comments. Now Elixir is a functional programming language. It's not like traditional object oriented programming languages, so it does not have a concept called as class. Instead, it has a concept called as modules, which holds together multiple different functions. So in order to define a module, you simply need to say def module and then you need to put down your module's name. Let's just say the module name is hello, and then inside of this module you will be defining your function. So for first I will be saying define world, which does something that will be simply saying io.puts hello world. Now in order to call this function, what you need to do is go ahead and say hello.world. Now this is our Elixir script. Now we want to execute the script, so what we'll be doing is we'll be simply opening the CMDER or the terminal if you're on Mac or Linux, and we'll be typing elixir index.exs by cding into that directory or wherever that file is stored. Simply just go ahead and say elixir index.exs and you will be seeing hello world printed on the terminal. Now what if you are interested to do something a little more complex? For example, what I want is another function inside of this module that will be greeting the user by its name. So greet and name, which does something like this: io.puts hello, hash name. Now what exactly I'm doing over here is by putting this hash inside of the string. This is called as string interpolation. We'll be taking a look at that later on in the series, but for now remember that this is how you reference variables inside of the string. So this time I want to go ahead and greet somebody whose name is Aditya. That is obviously me. So I want the program to greet me. So I'll be going ahead and re-executing the code, and there you go, you'll be seeing hello Aditya. So what exactly happened over here is we defined a module called as hello, and then we defined two different functions inside of this module. We reference these functions by saying hello dot the function name, and in case the function has any kind of parameters, we simply gave it to them. So that is it for the modules. Now what if you are interested to say that this module is this function is going to say world, the second function is going to say name. So what I'll be putting over here is hash, which is basically a comment inside of Elixir. So hash, it will say hello world. And for the second one, now the second one obviously also has a parameter. So what I'll be doing for that is add doc, and inside of the doc I'll be saying name is the param, which will be the string variable, which will be taking in string, and prints out hello username. So if I go ahead, save this program and I re-execute the code, I'll be getting the exact same results. Now the results are not going to be changed because the comments are completely ignored while executing the code. So this is about it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.